Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to transfer money to Sofi account, updated. Start by logging into your bank app and locating the Transfers or External Accounts section to add Sofi. Link your Sofi account with account and routing numbers or use instant transfer options if available. Verify limits and fees before sending, then initiate a test transfer for a small amount to confirm everything is set up properly and avoid mistakes later. To link accounts, open your Sofi app and select the option to add an external bank or transfer method, then follow prompts. Enter your routing and account numbers carefully or choose the bank login option for instant linking through a secure provider. Complete any two-factor authentication or micro-deposit verification steps, and confirm the linked account shows as verified before attempting larger transfers to ensure smooth future transactions. Decide between ACH, instant transfer, or wire based on speed and cost, then pick the one that fits your situation. ACH is inexpensive and good for routine deposits, while instant transfers are convenient for urgent needs but include fees. Wires work for high-value moves where timing is critical. Always check Sofi limits and your sending bank's rules so you don't hit unexpected delays or rejections during the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.